केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो मतवारा हुआ रे, केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Good evening, viewers. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is the News Hour special edition this Saturday evening, and I'm Hina Gambhir. Viewers, today morning, little after 7 a.m. at the protest venue next to Delhi's Jantar Mantar, there was high drama. The Delhi police arrived at the site in civilian clothes, wearing mostly blue or white shirts, surprised protesters and went up to the stage. While the first group went towards the center of the stage, rest took out white sheets and formed a fabric barricade. Within seconds, an ambulance was seen speeding away from the protest site. These were personnel of Delhi police and paramilitary forces. In an operation that lasted barely a few minutes, they had removed climate activist Sonam Wangchuk from the bed. He was staging a hunger strike for almost 3 weeks. Wangchuk was rushed to Delhi's government-run Safdarjung Hospital. At the protest site, pandemonium broke out. The 59-year-old had been on a hunger strike in support of an online satirical movement called the Cockroach Janata Party, which is seeking resignation of the Education Minister and educational reforms. They had planned a march to Parliament on Monday when the monsoon session of Parliament begins. In the scorching summer, Wangchuk had been consuming nothing but salt and water and is said to have lost more than 9 kg and was in a lot of pain. There was outrage over the removal of Wangchuk from the protest site. CJP leader, CJP founder Abhijit Dike called the removal abduction. Officials said that he was taken to the hospital peacefully and without use of force. Delhi police said this action was not arbitrary. It said, as per orders of Honorable High Court and on expert medical advice, due to the deteriorating health condition of Sonam Wangchuk, he has been shifted to the hospital for essential medical care. Protesters tried to create obstruction. However, police took maximum restraint and undertook this exercise safely. The police cited direction of Delhi High Court in which the government was ordered to do anything and everything to protect Wangchuk's life. Yesterday, the doctors had described Wangchuk's condition as an emergency with fear of his organs failing.
ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के आदेशानुसार और हेल्थ कंडीशंस और मेडिकल एडवाइस के अनुसार श्री सोनम वांगचुक जी को यहाँ से अप्रोप्रिएट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल जो मच नीडेड मेडिकल इंटरवेंशन है उसके लिए ले जाया गया है और अंडर मेडिकल सुपरविजन.
Later, in medical bulletin released, the Safdarjung Hospital stated that Wangchuk is somewhat weak due to prolonged fasting and is experiencing mild dehydration. Otherwise, all his vital parameters are stable. The statement went on to say, and I'm quoting here from the statement, although intravenous fluids were advised, but Wangchuk has refused all intravenous fluids, oral rehydration fluid or any other medication. He's been continuously monitored and counseled for treatment in best interest of his health. Meanwhile, Sonam Wangchuk's wife Gitanjali slammed the authorities and hospital administration by saying she was not being allowed to get a second opinion. She wants Wangchuk to be shifted to a hospital of her choice. Now, viewers, we have brought to you exactly what transpired this morning. And this incident has triggered a political war of words. The opposition has yet again found ammunition against the government. 48 hours before the monsoon session, it slammed the government action. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi broke his silence on the removal of Wangchuk from Jantar Mantar in Delhi. Sharing a post on X, Rahul Gandhi said that the core tenets of the Narendra Modi government are asatya and hinsa, and described Wangchuk's removal while he was on a non-violent hunger strike as wrong. Bharatiya Janata Party hit back, saying the opposition only wanted to secure political mileage from this agitation. Listen in.
बहुत ही गलत तरीके से उठा लिया है, उनका अनशन तोड़ने की कोशिश की गई है। सादे कपड़ों में पुलिस भेज के चारों तरफ से चादर से ढक के उनके साथियों के साथ बदसलूकी बदतमीजी करके मुक्के मार के उन्हें उठा के अस्पताल में भर्ती करा दिया गया। गांधी जी ने कितने लंबे लंबे फास्ट किए थे, ऐसे तो अंग्रेज भी नहीं करते थे। क्या इसी के लिए हमने आजादी ली कि एक दिन ऐसा आया जब हमारी सरकार हम लोगों के साथ इस तरह से बदसलूकी करेगी। मैं मोदी जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि ये बच्चे क्या मांग रहे हैं, ये हमारे देश के बच्चे हैं, इनके साथ इस तरह की बदसलूकी करना सही नहीं है।
बच्चे मर गए, आत्महत्याएं कर ली बच्चों ने, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। प्रधानमंत्री शिक्षा मंत्री की पीठ थपथपा रहे, और कितनी मौतों के बाद प्रधानमंत्री जी शिक्षा मंत्री का इस्तीफा लेंगे। दुखद है, बहुत दुखद है।
ये मैं समझता हूँ सरकार की बहुत गलत नीति है कि जो व्यक्ति इतने दिनों से, लगभग 20 दिन से सोनम वांगचुक जी अन्न को त्यागे हुए हैं, भूख हड़ताल कर रहे थे, किस मुद्दे को लेकर कर रहे थे? नौजवानों के भविष्य को लेकर, और शिक्षा मंत्री का इस्तीफा मांगते थे। सरकार ने कोई संवाद नहीं किया, कोई चर्चा नहीं करी, कोई संज्ञान नहीं लिया। अब जब पूरे देश का प्रभाव पड़ रहा है और दबाव बढ़ रहा था, तो हमको जबरदस्ती उठाकर अस्पताल ले जाया गया है, सिर्फ इस बात से बचने के लिए कि सरकार की जवाबदेही तय ना हो। इस तरह जबरदस्ती उनको उठाकर अस्पताल ले जाना कहीं ना कहीं दिखता है कि सरकार बहुत दबाव में है।
सोनम वांगचुक को जबरदस्ती उठा दिया। अभी डीके जी बैठे हैं और बहुत लोग बैठेंगे भूख हड़ताल पर। ये सरकार की तानाशाही रुख को बर्दाश्त नहीं की जा सकती है। जवाबदेही का सिद्धांत है, उसको लागू करना पड़ेगा और एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को तुरंत पद से हटाना पड़ेगा।
हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर था, हाई कोर्ट ने बड़ा स्पेसिफिकली बोला कि सोनम वांगचुक की सेहत की चिंता की जाए। अब उनकी सेहत इस प्रकार से गड़बड़ हो रही थी, अखबारों में खबरें आ रही थी, ये जो विपक्षी नेता ये भी उनकी सेहत को लेकर अलग अलग प्रकार के कयास लगा रहे थे कि उनकी सेहत 8 किलो वजन कम हो गया, उनके पैरामीटर्स ठीक नहीं है। तो पुलिस ने चिंता करी है। अब इसमें राजनीति क्या है, इसमें विपक्षी आवाज जमाने वाला काम क्या है? इसको तो उल्टा चिंता करिए। और कल सोनम वांगचुक के साथ हो जाए या हो जाता तो तब आप पुलिस को जिम्मेवार ठहराते या आप सरकार को जिम्मेवार ठहराते। तो इसलिए पुलिस ने जो जायज था, जो कोर्ट के ऑर्डर के अनुसार था, उस हिसाब से कार्रवाई करी।
Joining us on the broadcast right now are my colleagues Dev Kotak and Priya Tripathi. Dev, quickly to you first. How is the health condition of Sonam Wangchuk right now? What are the doctors saying?
Well, yes, we are outside the Safdarjung Hospital at this point in time, and the building right behind me is the new building block of Safdarjung. On the 8th floor is where Mr. Sonam Wangchuk has been hospitalized. A heavy security and deployment of Delhi police officials almost on every floor of the new building in order to try and avoid the escaping of the supporters and the protesters on the higher floors and reaching up all the way to the 8th floor, which is also why the staircase has also been shut off till the time he continues to be hospitalized. But however, Dr. Nitin Dighe, who is the family doctor for Sonam Wangchuk and has been treating him throughout all these days as well, has said that he is also separately going to collect the blood samples to determine as to what went wrong, because he suspects that there is something fishy.
Dev Kotak, thank you for the moment for joining us. Priyank, now a political debate has started in the country on the way Sonam Wangchuk was picked up in the morning. You tell us, what is it that Delhi police officials are saying?
The Delhi police certainly followed
and on this is with the moment they realize that there is a point of deterioration of health of Sonam Wangchuk, then the action was taken. In the morning, the action this happened has been criticized by various political parties. But the fact of the matter is that whatever was needed according to the instructions by the Honorable High Court was done by the Delhi police. And now it's a big challenge for the Delhi police as well, because soon after Sonam Wangchuk has been picked up from this location, the crowd has spread. The protesters have decided that they will keep on being here throughout the night, because what they feel that the moment Abhijit Dipka and other protesters went away from the location, and then that the Delhi police action happened. So all-night strategy of camping here is certainly something which is in the cards of these protesters. But what our sources have been suggesting, that is, they have not taken permission for the Parliament march, which has been called on when the Parliament session will start, then only the peace action can happen.
All right. Thank you very much, Priyank and Dev, for joining us and giving us all of those details. Now, viewers, this particular incident, like I said, has triggered a political war of words. We told you how the opposition has reacted. Now, BJP has also reacted to Rahul Gandhi. BJP leader Amit Malviya went on record to say that Sonam Wangchuk's preliminary medical report is now in public domain. Importantly, it records that the medical examination was conducted with his own consent. So what exactly is the outrage about? He asked, would the opposition have preferred that his condition worsen merely to sustain a political spectacle? Ensuring timely medical care in a situation like this is a responsible course of action, not a matter for manufactured controversy. He has also responded to Rahul Gandhi, reminding him of different view of the LOP in 2011 during Anna Hazare's campaign. Amit Malviya has said that back then Rahul Gandhi had portrayed mass protest as a threat to democracy, and today he invokes democracy to defend another protest. Which Rahul Gandhi, he asks, should India believe? So let's open this up. We have with us our guest joining us. We have Tushar Gupta, political analyst, Dr. Vikram Singh, former UP DGP, Advocate Anmol Pawar, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, and Avishkar Singhvi, who is Advocate Supreme Court. Good evening to all of you. Thank you for joining us here on Times Now. Avishkar Singhvi, how will you like to respond to the points that have been made by Amit Malviya of the BJP? Because on one hand, of course, politics is happening on this particular issue. On the other hand, you've got Delhi police officials saying we are merely implementing the court's order.
Well, there are two issues in this. One is the larger issue and the other is the micro issue within the larger issue. The issue of the peaceful protest being interfered with or whether it is a genuine bona fide attempt to rescue someone whose health was deteriorating. I think that is what the debate really stands at. And I would like to answer that by saying that firstly, undoubtedly, what Mr. Sonam Wangchuk was standing for was a bona fide ask against the government. And he's undoubtedly, somebody who's proved himself by fasting 17 days, and there was no engagement on that count with regard to any dialogue or deliberation or discussion. But now when, they had reached a point of, the gas hitting the lid, now this measure was taken today with forceful, removal of him from his peaceful protest. I would deem it to be an interference with the peaceful protest, because we've had several examples in the past, and I'm not saying this because of a particular incident. We've had several examples in the past where people have been continuing peaceful protest for prolonged periods, and they have been permitted to do so. We've had Anna Hazare, we've even had our great Mahatma Gandhi. But I don't know.
But Avishkar Singhvi, now there are 2 points here. 2 points here. One, you've called it interference. You are an advocate in Supreme Court. 1 second. Mr. Singhvi, 1 second. You've called it interference. You're also an advocate in Supreme Court. How will you then respond to the point that, Delhi cops are making here, Delhi police officials are making? They were merely implementing the Delhi High Court order. And I'm sure you must have read what the High Court order has been in this particular case.
Let me complete. Before hearing my last point, you have asked me a counter question, but the last point that I was going to say would probably have answered what you're saying. The last point is that the burden of proof is always on the state authorities to prove that the medical condition is of such a nature that it requires that sort of intervention. Now, what is the burden of proof placed? Was there any burden of proof? Was there any evidence to support the fact that his health was in such a situation that
Dr.
it needed
Vikram
such
Singh,
intervention?
will you like to comment on this?
So that was my last argument, and
Okay.
I'll respond later. Yes.
Dr. Vikram Singh.
Yes, Hinaji, thank you so much. Good evening and good evening, gentlemen. I would like to intervene that I would compliment the Delhi police for what they have done, because they acted, in my view, a little late. Anything that happens after 12 days of fast and to death is a cause of concern for 2 reasons: the deterioration in health, and number 2, how can anyone think for a moment to ignore and sweep under the carpet the orders passed by the Honorable Delhi High Court? Number 1. Number 2, I have seen in such occasions that people try to take advantage of a situation and try to poison the person who's on fast for their own selfish motives. And therefore, the police had a problem at hand because things seem to be, they require an intervention, and the manner in which they have said, police ke gunde uthaye gaye. If this is Gundaism, there was no confrontation, there was no use of force, and also there's much of people would wanted to precipitate a crisis and confrontation. That did not happen. Bad luck of those who wanted to work on a toolkit. I would say that the Delhi police acted within the ambit of law and complied faithfully with the orders of the Honorable High Court. I see no reason. There are illustrious and advocates who know more law than I would ever do. And tell me and advise me, if I were the police commissioner, what were my options but to comply with the orders of the court? No use of force, adequate number of women police personnel, and absolutely no use of force. And if this is not professionalism, then what is? Thank you, Hina.
Advocate Anmol Pawar, how will you like to respond? And I also want you to respond to the point that BJP's Amit Malviya has made a short while ago on social media platform X, because your party emerged from that Anna Hazare campaign, and he has quoted exactly what happened at that time, how Rahul Gandhi had reacted at that point in time, because at that time, Rahul Gandhi portrayed a mass protest as threat to democracy. Today, he invokes democracy to defend another protest. Even your party is defending this particular protest.
Ji, except the ED party, every Indian wants paper leaks to stop. Except the ED party, every Indian wants
Sorry, which party are you talking about? Is that a registered party in this country?
Yes,
I have never heard of ED party
yes,
in this country.
BJP is ED party.
Tushar, have you heard of ED party?
Yeah, I'm telling you, BJP.
I have not seen.
No, I'm telling you. No,
Okay.
मैं बता रहा हूँ BJP.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता ना, आप कह रहे थे ED पार्टी, तो मैंने कहा जरा क्लैरिफाई करे, क्योंकि आजकल पॉलिटिकली इतना कुछ हो रहा है, इतनी नई नई पार्टीज रजिस्टर हो रही है, लोग एक पार्टी से दूसरी में जा रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा ट्रैक रखना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया है. नहीं, ED पार्टी तो कभी सुना नहीं.
पूरे देश को पता है, आपको
तुषार, आपको पता है ED पार्टी क्या है?
मैं पूरी बात कर लूँ.
विक्रम सिंह, आपने कभी ED पार्टी के बारे में सुना है?
अरे जो ED पार्टी,
चलिए विवेक श्रीवास्तव से भी पूछ लेते हैं, वो आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं. विवेक, आपने ED पार्टी के बारे में कभी सुना है?
जो रेड कराती है वो ED पार्टी, मैं बता तो दिया. और
मुझे पता है, I know ED party.
अच्छा, चलिए.
Nation knows what is ED party.
Okay.
विवेक भाई, let me.
Nation knows what is ED party.
Advocate Anmol
Whole
Pawar.
nation knows ED party.
Vivek Srivastava, I'll come to you. I'll give you time. Advocate Anmol Pawar. Yes.
Except the ED party, every Indian wants the education minister to resign. Except the ED party, every Indian wants the students' future to be protected. Except the ED party, every Indian wants an honest
I'm talking about the
examination
intention of the
system.
protest here.
10
Advocate
seconds.
Anmol
Please do
Pawar,
not
let's
interrupt.
not digress
Please
from
do
the
not
detail.
interrupt.
One second.
Okay, so you will decide what I have to
Of
speak.
course, I am the
You will
anchor of the
decide
show.
what I have to
I am the anchor of the show.
Yes,
I
would you
decide
not allow
what.
me to speak?
Excuse me, Advocate
would you
Anmol
not allow
Pawar.
me to
One
speak?
second. One second.
अब जवाब
If
नहीं
you
आप
have,
पूछ
if
के
you
नहीं।
have come prepared for some
नहीं,
other
जवाब-
subject,
जवाब
then
और
I
आपसे-
can't do anything about it.
This is another subject.
No,
I'm
आप
telling you the
मेरे को एक
reality,
बात
this is another
बताइए,
subject.
एक बात बताइए,
हाँ जी,
आपसे मैं
बताइए।
सवाल पूछ रही
पूछिए,
हूँ
पूछिए, बिल्कुल
ABCD के बारे में,
बताइए।
आप जवाब मुझे दे रहे
हाँ,
1 2 3 4 5
जवाब
के
भी
बारे
बता
में,
दीजिए,
तो
बताइए क्या?
ऑब्वियसली मैं बोलूंगी कि
सवाल
आपको
पूछिए।
सवाल पता ही नहीं है
अरे
और आप
ठीक है,
एजुकेशन
हमें-
सिस्टम को रिफॉर्म करने की बात कर रहे
अच्छा,
हैं.
तो अगर
पहले
बच्चे
सवाल
education system-
समझिए,
बच्चे
सवाल
education
समझिए,
system की
जवाब
बात कर
दीजिए
रही
उस
हैं,
सवाल का, एंड देन यू टेल मी.
चलो बताओ, सवाल बताओ.
नहीं, आई एम द
सवाल
एंकर ऑफ द
बताओ।
शो, आई विल
हाँ,
डिसाइड.
हाँ,
आप
ठीक
जब
है।
ध्यान ही नहीं दे
सवाल
रहे,
बताइए।
आपसे सवाल पूछ रहे, आप ईडी पार्टी पे चले जाते हैं.
ED पार्टी बोल दिया, बड़ा दर्द हो रहा है आपको. सवाल
एक्सक्यूज मी,
बताइए.
एडवोकेट अनमोल
सवाल
पावर,
बताइए।
अगर आपके पास जवाब नहीं है तो
हाँ,
कोई बात नहीं,
बताइए,
आई विल गो
सवाल-
क्रॉस टू माय
भाई,
नेक्स्ट
सवाल
पैनलिस्ट.
पूछिए ना, हम कह तो रहे हैं, प्लीज आस्क. बताइए कौन सा
मैंने
सवाल
आपसे
पूछना है?
पूछा.
क्या पूछा? आप
अमित
बताइए,
मालविया
दोहराइए।
जो बीजेपी के हैं, उन्होंने अभी
He's a
एक
liar.
पोस्ट किया
He's
है.
a- he's a liar.
अच्छा, आप
He's
या
a
तो आप
liar,
सवाल सुन
बताइए।
लीजिए, या तो आप सवाल सुन
हाँ, तो
लीजिए, या फिर
झूठ
अपनी
लिया
रनिंग
हमने।
कमेंट देते
अरे
रहिए. ऐसे तो डिबेट हो नहीं पाएगा.
झूठे लोगों पे हम जवाब देंगे क्या
चलिए,
आपको?
चलिए, I think-
झूठे लोगों पे जवाब देंगे.
let me, I don't think.
You are not even allowing me to speak.
I
You are
allow
not
you
even
to
allowing me
speak.
to speak.
1 second, Advocate Anmol Pawar.
So you will decide what I have to
Of
answer.
course I will decide.
You will decide what I have to answer.
No, I will. I have.
This is-
It is my show. I am
Okay,
asking
it
you
is
a
your
question.
show,
You
so I
kindly
have to
respond
answer.
if
I'll
you do not have an answer.
After asking you.
Excuse me,
मैं सवाल
Advocate
जो है,
Anmol
सवाल भी आप
Pawar.
बताओगे और जवाब भी आप बताओगे.
कि
ये
ऐसा
कह रहे हैं
है,
आप.
अगर आपसे
आप
मैं
ये कह रही हैं।
ABCD पूछ रही हूँ, तो आप ABC का जवाब
तो
देने की
ABCD
बजाय
का जवाब भी
1
आप
2 3
बताओगे, हम
बोलने
क्या
लग
देंगे?
जाएंगे, तो ऑब्वियसली मैं
ABCD
बोलूंगी
का जवाब भी
टाइम
आप
वेस्ट कर
बताओगे,
रहे हैं
हम
मेरी
क्या
डिबेट
देंगे?
का. Anyways,
नहीं, ABCD का जवाब भी आप बताओगे, क्या हम क्या देंगे?
I cannot allow this to go on. I'm once again giving
Because
you an
even you are
opportunity to
scared. Even you
respond.
seem
Excuse
scared.
me, Advocate Anmol
Because-
Pawar, mind your language.
No, what?
Mind
what-
your
what-
language.
No, I'm
First,
speaking
what
about
language
ED
is
party.
it? What do you mean by saying I am scared?
No,
I'm scared of
please
what?
allow me to speak.
I'm saying.
Please allow me to speak.
That is exactly
please
what I'm saying.
Please allow me to put my point.
If you have something
please
to say, please go ahead and speak.
Yes.
But do not point fingers at the actor.
Please allow me to put my
do
point.
Do not point fingers at the actor. If you have something,
as per your
1 second. Advocate Anmol Pawar, you do not have an answer. Kindly do not say anything.
You won't direct me. मैं क्या जवाब दूंगा? Let me have my say.
Do you have anything substantial to say?
So you will decide what's substantial and what's not.
Do you have anything specific to say? You're wasting the time of the viewers.
So let me complete.
Advocate Anmol Pawar, you're wasting the time of the viewers.
Today,
and stop pointing fingers at the anchor.
Except the ED party, the entire country stands with Sonam Wangchuk and the students protesting there. This ED party has become arrogant. They don't believe in dialogues. They believe in force. That's why today they have forcibly removed Sonam Wangchuk from the protest site. ये जो है मोदी जी के पास विदेश घूमने का समय है लेकिन छात्रों से बात करने का समय नहीं है. वहां जाके मेलोडी खिलाते हैं और यहां पे डंडे बरसाते हैं. Just few meters away from the Parliament House, the temple of democracy, democracy is being murdered by broad daylight by this ED party government. Today some men came in civil dress and they dragged Sonam Wangchuk, they abused him, and without his consent, they took him away. और जो लोग कह रहे हैं, there's a High Court order. That High Court order will take 10 seconds.
Advocate Anmol Pawar, you're saying you're lying on national television.
No, I'm not lying.
You're saying they abused Sonam Wangchuk.
Yes, they have abused.
You just said they have abused Sonam Wangchuk.
They have abused Sonam Wangchuk. They have dragged him. And you were saying that there's a High Court order dated 9 July 2018. This High Court order said that you have to check his vitals. His vitals were normal yesterday. No doctor came at the protest site before 7 a.m.
Okay.
And on what medical advice did they remove him?
Okay.
Which order said that they have to drag him? Which order said they have to forcibly remove him?
Okay.
Which order said
you have
that
made your point.
They have to treat him
you
like a criminal?
You have made your point, Advocate Anmol Pawar. Okay, आपने बोल लिया. Let others all speak now. Tushar.
Are they coming a crime? No. Are they criminals? No.
Advocate Anmol Pawar, enough. You made your point. Let others also speak and participate in this debate. Tushar Gupta.
You know, people sitting in this studio should not misuse their privileges and let not others speak. Anmol Pawar is talking about democracy, having a dialogue, forcefully uplifting protesters from the protest site. मार्च 2025 में आम आदमी पार्टी सरकार ने शंभू बॉर्डर कैसे खाली करवाया था, जरा बताइए अनमोल पवार. राजपुरा अंबाला बॉर्डर पे आम आदमी पार्टी ने किसानों को कैसे हटाया था, बताइए. वो तो आपके पास जवाब होगा नहीं, तब तो आपकी चुप्पी हो जाती है. You know, we are not a serious nation. You cannot have protesters illegally occupying protest sites, highways, expressways, carrying out track marches, or threatening the state with the hunger strike and demanding resignations of ministers. Hold the government accountable in every possible manner. Ask every possible question. But this hunger strike business is absurd. And let's not forget what Sonam Wangchuk did in Ladakh in September 2025. There were people who suffered. There were people who were injured, and probably some casualties were also there, because over there he was also sitting on a hunger strike. Then a mob was incited, and then one thing led to another. There is a government release on that entire thing. So what happened with Wangchuk is absolutely correct. This is Jantar Mantar. It's a high security area. Deepke and his minions took permission for 1 day of protest. They have been sitting there. Some adult is dancing all in a very vulgar fashion, cheered on by his minions. Then you have another one who's holding a bread pakoda party. The other one is running a hunger strike. The fourth one is giving TV interviews day and night. And in between that, you have people making Instagram reels. Is this protest? Is this democracy? The actual youth of this nation is sending rockets to space, as we saw earlier today. It's not people like Anmol Pawar who represent the youth. It's people who are building rockets, building this country. अनमोल पवार जी की बात करते डेमोक्रेसी से एक सवाल पूछिए. स्टूडियो में ही बैठे हैं ना. 2025 में मार्च में शंभू बॉर्डर किसने खाली करवाया था? किसानों ने किसने हटाया था? सिंघू बॉर्डर पे तब किसानों को उठा रहे थे.
जरा ये बता दो कि 100 पेपर लीक क्यों है 12 साल में? अकाउंटेबिलिटी नाम की चीज है देश में या नहीं? कब तक सहे देश का युवा? कब तक सहे देश का युवा? सरकार से सवाल करने की बात है.
I have to go across to Vivek Srivastava. Advocate Anmol Pawar, 1 second. I have to go across to Vivek Srivastava as well, who's been waiting for his turn. Mr. Vivek Srivastava, August 16, 2011, Delhi police detained Anna Hazare as well as supporters hours before he was to begin indefinite hunger strike, and that was done because it was a delicate situation.
Yes, I'll give you 2 more examples. The father of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, his name was Sonam Wangyal. He was the minister in Jammu and Kashmir ministry, and he went on a historical hunger strike in 1984 to press for the inclusion of the citizens of Leh into scheduled tribe list. And Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister, flew down from Delhi, requested him to break fast. उनका व्रत तोड़वाया और नागरिकों को शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब में इंक्लूड कराया. That was the Honorable Prime Minister, Mrs. Gandhi. And the second example is Mr. G.D. Agarwal, the great environmentalist, who died, and Mr. Modi did not care to look at him, and he was doing an anchan for the cause of cleaning the Ganges. So, police action and High Court is one part. Why is this government not communicative? Why could the Honorable Prime Minister or Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan go and talk to Mr. Wangchuk, have some dialogue, convince him, give him some promises, maybe resign? Why are you sticking to power? What does it show? You are careless. Anna Hazare did his anchan for 11 days and people were talking to him. 4 ministers were talking to him. Let me tell you that. Was there any communication from this government? While I agree with Vikram Singh ji, he is absolutely correct. If the High Court has given an order, the Delhi police has to fulfill it. I am talking about the political will of the BJP here. You don't want the citizens to protest, and if they protest in a Gandhian way,
But
even
you
the
did not
British
answer
were
my question. You gave more examples, Vivek Srivastava. Why was Anna Hazare detained in 2011?
He was allowed to fast for more than 11 days. There were 4 to 5 ministers visiting him, talking to him, discussing with him, discussing with Mr. Kejriwal. एक communication का वो था. And despite the fact the entire agitation of the Aam Aadmi Party and before that India Against Corruption was against the Congress Party.
Okay.
But the facilitation was done.
Dr. Vikram Singh,
Why is this government
Dr. Vikram
careless? This is
Singh,
my
are you
question.
convinced with this response
Why
by
don't you
Vivek
all talk?
Srivastava?
Mr. Vivek Srivastava has been very articulate and very logical, but he has chosen very intelligently also to mix non-facts with facts. I'll tell you, go back to 2011, Baba Ramdev's agitation, police used tear gas and lathi charge to disperse the peaceful agitation. Then, as they say in the police language, I do not like the ecosystem prevailing there, which normally I would say I don't like your face. Not because the looks are there, but the fact of the matter, if there are people there abusing Hindu gods and goddesses in the name of the so-called agitation, there are unmistakable signs of a toolkit and an insidious toolkit. The people who are gracing the platform there are many of them are those who have a criminal antecedents. Therefore, the police have a duty to perform. And I would say that the police acted with a lot of restraint, used the adequate number of women police officers, and there was not any use of force.
Right.
Therefore, show me the man and I will show you the treatment that has to be given.
Okay.
Anna Hazare was very different, Baba Ramdev was different, and this is entirely different.
Okay, by the way,
you show
that
the
was
court
20
order?
days for
Can you
Anna.
show
One
the
second,
court
one
order
second.
which
Advocate
says
Anmol Pawar,
he
allow me to
was-
moderate the debate. Please, allow me to moderate the debate. Vivek Srivastava, by the way, it wasn't 11 days, it was 20 days for Anna Hazare. Anyways, I want to go across to Avishkar Singhvi once again. Avishkar Singhvi, now the question really is that can governments really afford to sit back and not intervene in cases like these, wherein you have a High Court order also?
Ina, I'm glad I wasn't allowed to complete on the first occasion, but I'd just like to say that I have read the High Court order, but I did not want to go immediately to it. The High Court order was passed in a PIL filed by an individual where nowhere in the High Court order has it said that please remove him from the site or please acknowledge his health condition as of now. The High Court order said only that please monitor his deteriorating health condition, and I read it for your viewers' benefit. It said his health condition shall be regularly monitored on daily basis by government doctors, experts on the field. He further assures the court, depending upon the opinion of the doctors, whatever medical intervention is required. So now all of these steps is what I initially started our debate with. That what was the nature of evidence available with the doctors to take the step of removing him.
I think Dr. Vikram Singh was showing something. He wants to come in and then Tushar very quickly.
Yeah, so that was the order, and I'm happy to read the entire order for your benefit, but I think that is the part of the
Dr.
order.
Vikram Singh wants to come in and then Tushar. Yes.
Hina ji, there are two important observations made by the Honorable High Court. Sonam Wangchuk's medical condition be monitored regularly on a daily basis, both clinically and otherwise. Two, any medical intervention considered necessary by the treating doctors should be carried out without delay. Now the Honorable High Court will not fine-tune how many men will go, how many women will go, and fine-tune the police action. That's the admission of the police leadership, and they did a perfect job of that.
There was no finding in the High Court order that his health condition is of such nature that it requires him to be removed from a peaceful protest.
Avishkar Singh, the point really is the court order is not explicit, but if his potassium is down, organ failure is the fear, what will be the court's view? I mean, of course, it'll, agree to what the Delhi police officials really did. But anyways, I don't want to go to that aspect because I'm not an expert. The doctors are in a better position to tell us, what his situation really is and what he really needs right now. His life is extremely precious. Tushar Gupta, I want to understand from you, because this is happening just before the beginning of the monsoon session of Parliament. And it's not that from the beginning, opposition netas started supporting him. It's just in the last few days that we have seen suddenly a number of netas coming out in support of Sonam Wangchuk and the protest that's going on. Do you think it's also being used as a tool to get united again by the opposition? Look at the kind of reaction we got from Rahul Gandhi also today.
The unity of the opposition will be exposed to the parliament in the monsoon session when Rahul Gandhi will realize he cannot stop a two-third majority of the BJP. A majority in the parliament depends on numbers, not on sentiments, not on social media hysteria. Where is the DMK? Where is the TMC today when it comes to the Lok Sabha numbers? Aam Aadmi Party is there with the DK and his minions, but that's no surprise. DK was working with the Aam Aadmi Party in the past. You look at Uddhav Thackeray, UBT. He had absolutely, no political capital left. Mamata Banerjee, no political capital left. Leaders who have absolutely no political capital left are going out supporting DK, hoping to be relevant in news. At the end of the day, in the parliament, it's the maths that will matter, and that is where the BJP is quite strong. Also, we all seem to have forgotten that this protest site was being illegally occupied. DK was given permission for one Sunday. He was there since then, hosting lunches and whatnot. People were eating before Wangchuk while he was on a hunger strike. If I were to put it that way, the poor guy has been rescued by these opportunists who were using his hunger fast to further their political agenda. So I hope Wangchuk is taken good care of and rescued from these political opportunists who are just there to run their own agenda, starting with the Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay, we'll leave it there. And of course, it's going to be the big focus ahead as well. For now, thank you very much, all of you gentlemen, for joining us here on this debate. Let's now move on.